I should complete my work. I shouldn't complete my work. May.
Are you satisfied with your presentation?
No, sir.
There are many things that even you need to improve.
It is a strong instruction given by police and army persons.
You will be watching teaching videos on YouTube. Make sure you will focus on body language. Body language, that means example, good morning sir, today I am going to give presentation on the topic. I would like to announce, please give a huge round of applause for Sujata to please come up on the stage. Nothing, no 5 minutes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sujata. I will discuss about this topic, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb. What is the meaning that auxiliary verbs? Everybody. A verb which used to add a verb to form a different tenses written context. Auxiliary verbs is the two types of auxiliary verbs. First one is primary auxiliary verbs. Second one is modal auxiliary verbs. Primary auxiliary verbs is use form only have been, be form, do form is only use that question and negative form. I will discuss about this only modal verbs. Modal verbs is the 9 types of modal verbs. First one is can, shall, should. Third one is may, might. Fourth one is these 9 types of modal verbs. For example, can, I can do it is negative verb. I can't do it. Second one is could. I could finish my homework. I couldn't finish my homework. I shall go to home. I shan't go to home. Should. I should complete my work. I shouldn't complete my work. May. I may go, sir. I am a not go. Go, sir. Might. I am.
Done?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please claps for her. Wait. Yes. So I would like to ask you. Yes. Are you satisfied with your presentation?
No, sir.
Why?
Because not
Answer them.
because not practice, sir. I understand this topic because fearing those are mind blacks.
You are scared, so you forgot all this. You knew very well about the matter, but just because of that fear within
Yes.
you, I think that pulled you back to explain
Yes.
deeply. Yeah, well, the seminar went bit good, and also there are many things that even you need to improve, and among that one is your confidence level.
Yes.
And make sure confidence level improves when one has good information on that topic, and though you had good information on that topic but your confidence level literally went down. Okay, one, your confidence level should be improved,
Yes.
right? Another thing, your pronunciation, you should little bit work upon even the good pronunciation. And also when you had come on the stage, you should greet them first, and this greeting will connect you to them, right? And third, when you end the session, it should be ended with proper full stop, like thank them and end them properly. The starting point and ending point should be good. That is called the yes and e should be good. Start and end of the presentation should be good. Understood?
Yes.
In between we just speak on matter, we speak with information, but starting we connect them, ending we disconnect our audience with us and from our topic. That should also be very good, so that they could remember us for next time. And your explanation skills should be improved. You are hesitating, yeah, that was the major issue. And that's all about. Thank you. If anybody wants to give, yes, especially I want Sujata, your best friend, to give you some feedback.
First of all, I would like to uh, something like Sujata first. She was good in today's seminar because of I have observed for so many times. She has very talent in that seminar. Already she has told me like demo classes. She has able at that time she can make very properly and very confidently, but she has fearless. She has fear. When you can remove that one, you will must become a speaker. This is one suggestion to you.
Only fear.
Yes, sir.
How she can remove that fear?
Okay, when you talk with me, that same you can also try in this stage. This is also one step to removal of your fear. And you can look when you look to me at the at the same you can also look to them.
With similar point of view,
Okay.
look at nobody.
This is not practice. That practice you can do it
Okay, ma'am.
confidently. You speak, then your fear is lost.
Initially fear is common when we are trying, because uh, it is called the demophobia. What it is called? It is called the demophobia. Dame, that means people, phobia, that means fear. A one who fears with publicly speaking, known as the demophobia. So this demophobia is a type of diseases which is equal to death, right? So this demophobia can only be removed with practical conversation, with preparing our mindset. So we should be ready with our mindset, positive thoughts, and we should interact with others on regular basis. So these regular basis interaction would help us overcome from this phobia, otherwise not. Even though you have good knowledge on matter, but still you cannot express, you fail to express that, just because of you are not habitual of making contacts and interaction with viewers and audience. So this habit should be built within you, that this should be done on regular basis. Today you did, and next time you will feel that, oh, little bit I'm improving, I'm good, little bit you will feel that, and again next time keep on, you will feeling that you are little bit improving.
Yes.
Maybe it was absolutely good. Thank you so much. So work upon interaction daily, make communication with people, and keep one positive mindset. Thank you so much.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಜಾತ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಭಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಭಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Thank you so much, Sujata. Here I would like to introduce our next presenter. Please give a huge round of applause for Anita. Please come up on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anita. I explain the topic about imperative sentence. I am explaining topic about imperative sentence. Already my friends are explained about assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Now I will explain about imperative sentence. Before going this imperative sentence, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words with complete meaning. Imperative sentence is used as short form. This stand for command. O stand for order. B stand for beg. R stand for request. A stand for advice. W stand for warning. Command. Command usually used in professional. Example, it will be used in, it is a strong instruction given by police and army persons. Order. These both are same but different. It gives a strong instruction. It gives a daily. Beg and request are same, but beg will ask by mentioning please. Request will ask by polite. Advice. Giving advice to someone by do the work. Warning means we will warn. Stand up and sit down.
Okay, all right.
Study daily. Thank you.
So receive my feedbacks
Okay, sir.
and make notes on this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. From today onwards,
Okay, sir.
you will be watching presentation videos on YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Watch presentation videos. Like if you're watching somebody's online class on YouTube, focus on their body language,
Okay.
how they start, how they end, how they explain, and how they maintain their body language. You will be watching teaching videos on YouTube. Make sure you will focus on body language. Body language, that means how they walk, how they use their hand gestures, how they make eye contact, how they use sound, voice, how they turn towards board and again turn back to the audience towards camera when they are writing, when they are explaining. You will watch presentation video daily, at least 2 presentation video, and you will be making note on that. Understood? Another, copy that presentation, implement here.
Okay, sir.
I repeat, watch presentation videos, copy their body language, implement in you. Understood? Second, please daily you should send me 2 seminar or presentation video recording in your own phone. Just turn on your front camera and speak on any topic that we discuss in the classroom. Daily 2 videos, morning one and evening one. Daily 2 videos. Example, good morning sir, today I am going to give presentation on the topic imperative sentences. So daily you should send me 2 videos on your presentation on different topic. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, make sure daily watch videos,
Okay, sir.
copy that style, implement in you, observe very carefully. Yes, thank you so much. They can't give you best suggestions than this, I don't think, because lot to be improved. So many things that need to be improved, and if you do this now, so automatically your brain will come to know. Okay. Yes, thank you, and it was good. At least you tried well, so confidence.
This is my first present.
Ha, yes, this was your first time, but it was the best, right? I could say for the first time at least you tried to speak. That was you should be very happy with it, and I'm very happy with, because first time was best time. So yes, Stanaji.
Your word pronunciation was very good,
Actually,
and
accent
her-
is good.
accent is good, and your handwriting also very good. But while you are writing, you becoming nervous. By that, you are missing somewhat spelling while writing.
Okay.
As I observed, your eyes movement and neck movement as unusual. It's not normal. It's somewhat unusual. So I suggest you to improve that part.
Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you. Please claps for her.
ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಬೆಟರ್.